Good evening, friends. I'm Parameshwar Reddy. By profession, I'm a doctor, medical doctor. I'm a family physician and diabetologist. In the year 2015, December 31st, on December 31st, Patriji has declared the Pyramid Sevadal. So why Pyramid Sevadal? Actually, what is the need for creating one more wing of PSSM? So as our organization has increased very vastly and our programs are increasing like anything, and a lot of people are coming. Say in Dhyana Chakra, almost 30 to 40,000 people will be there in Hyderabad at a time in the ground. So to facilitate them, to give proper facilities to the public and conduct the program in a proper manner, so we need the support of the volunteers. So this made us to start this wing of Pyramid Sevadal. So what this Pyramid Sevadal will do? Exactly, it will do two things. Number one, it will participate in the major events of PSSM like Dhyana Mahachakra, Dhyana Mahakumbh, and Patriji birthday, Ugadi, like many Guru Purnima, Buddha Purnima in Bangalore, like many major events of the PSSM are happening. So to conduct these programs in a proper way, in a systematic way, in an organized way, there is a need for volunteers or organizers to take care of the needs. So we are creating this, we have created this PSD. So what is the administrative team? I am Parameshwar Reddy, I am being the project in charge, and Sri Jakar Raghav Garu, he is the Andhra Pradesh State President. Srimati Madhavi, she is the State President for Telangana State. And Hampanna Garu, he is the State President for Karnataka State. And Mrs. Seema, she is not here, and she is the State President for Kerala. So far we have, and Mr. Kishore, he was declared as like State President for Uttarakhand. So far we have declared 5 state presidents for the Sevadal. So what is the structure of Sevadal? What is the hierarchy, PSD hierarchy? So national president will be PSD founder Patriji. Next comes the national president. Next comes the state convener or state president. The state convener or state president will, like one state head will, like there are many districts, say 50 to 60 districts will be there in a state. So state head will elect, so 50 district conveners. So next level will be district convener, and the district convener will elect the taluk conveners or mandal conveners. In AP and Telangana we have mandals. So in North India we have taluks. So here we are going to do, we will elect taluk conveners. So we are taking and in taluk, in mandal level or taluk level, there are 18 volunteers, that is called core team. So finally at the mandal level, 18 members will be there. So this will be the structure of Sevadal in every state. This is uniform in all states of India. Okay. So Sevadal has main roles, like I already told you, it will be conducting major programs. And second thing is, so we are going to adopt one school in each mandal headquarter. In each mandal, one school. So not only conducting the programs is not confined to conducting programs and doing service in programs, because now and then. So there is a continuous everyday daily activity for the Sevadal, that is conducting 15 minutes meditation for the students. And this is a continuous process. Excepting public holidays or school holidays, every day 15 minutes will be, practice of meditation will be there in the schools adopted. So we have 14 guidelines formulated for Sevadal. So I already mentioned PSD will assist all major PSSM programs like Dhyana Mahachakra, Buddha Purnima, Guru Purnima, Patriji birthday, Gandhi Jayanti, Mahavir Jayanti, and International Yoga Day, etc., etc. Next. So second guideline is, already I mentioned, 18 core team at mandal level or taluk level will be formulated. The district convener will elect mandal or taluk conveners, and then they make 18 core teams. 18 group members will be there in each taluk, and they will adopt schools 2 or 3 schools in Taluk. Taluk will be bigger than Mandal, so we can make 4 schools like that in North India. Second, third. Okay. Yeah. So this is about adoption of the school. I have few lines to say about this school adoption. So in example, for example, in AP and Telangana, so we are having 1100 mandals in total. 1100 schools we are going to adopt in AP and Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. For example, each school will be having 500 students. So in total it will be 5,50,000 students. Every day will be meditating, every day morning. Every year, a 10th class, the 10th class batch, they complete 1 lakh people, more than 1 lakh students, they complete 10th class and come into the society. So take the state of mind of a student, imagine the state of mind of a student, meditating for 5 years, from 5th class to 10th class, 5 years continuously, and then coming out into the society. So it will be definitely, there will be a marked change in the state of mind of a student. And already Patriji has defined the Vyakti Nirmaname Vyavastha Nirmanam. So construction of the self, the human, the self will construct the society. So, so we are going to make a massive change in the society after few years of these efforts. So if you just launch the same program in all over India, say 2 lakh students every year will come out, like 5 lakh students in each state. So 30 states, more than 1 crore students will be like meditating every day morning all over India. Imagine morning 9 o'clock, 1 crore student, more than 1 crore students meditating all over India. So for this we are taking permission from the state governments, from the DEOs, from the district collectors, DMs. So they give permission for the particular school so that we adopt and we conduct meditation. So the aim is every student should taste the dhyana sthiti. Dhyana sthiti, every student should undergo the meditative state. So for doing anything precisely and perfectly, the state of mind is very important. For attaining anything in life, a state of mind is very important. So this dhyana sthiti, as Krishna Bhagavan has told, yogastaha kuru karmani. The state of mind is very important, and the meditative state is the gift of meditation for every student. That should be the gift of meditation. So we are going to put a good effort, because this change will bring, like this, we are going to bring change into generations, next generations together. Next. So the fourth guideline of Sevadal is, like all the 18 members in the Taluk level or Mandal level, they meet weekly. They meet weekly for assessing their program. They make their programs. So they meet regular meeting weekly. Next. So monthly spiritual science training programs or meetings will be there by the district convener. So every month district convener will conduct a meeting for the Mandal conveners. So all the Mandal conveners, 50 to 60 members will be there in Mandals will be there, and all the Mandal conveners will come and they will have a meeting with the district convener. They assess the progress and they assess the work of the month. Next. So quarterly meeting will be there. These district conveners, they meet with the state convener or state president. Every 3 months, once in 3 months, the state president will conduct a meeting with all district conveners, and they assess the progress of the Sevadal work. Next. So Sevadal will form a strong communication web for all over India, because we have www.pyramidSevadal.org is the website. Like if you want to know if you want to communicate with somebody in some district, like the Kutch districts of Rajasthan, something like that, or Telangana Medak district, you want to communicate, you can just open the website, see the Medak district and see the name of the convener, and you can communicate with them. So PSSM, for PSSM, the PSD Sevadal will work as a communication web for all over India through its website. So we are going to launch all our details of the district conveners, state conveners and Mandal conveners into the website with their phone numbers and address. So communication will be very easy because I am traveling to some place in Tamil Nadu. We don't know anybody there. So we can just see the website, communicate with them so that we can do our activities. Next. I already mentioned this. Next. Yeah. The PSD will act as a chief and fundamental emergency administrative tool for all the PSSM major programs. So for all major programs of the PSSM, so Sevadal will act as the fundamental emergency tool. Wherever there need for people to conduct a program, the Sevadal will rush and do it. So always on hand, Sevadal members will be ready to do service. Next. Yeah. So Sevadal, the Pyramid Sevadal will publish the newsletters and PSD magazines in the coming future. In the month of December, we are going to release the first newsletter of Sevadal. Next. Yeah. So this Pyramid Sevadal, the teams, there are some major centers like Bangalore Pyramid, Hyderabad Maheshwara Pyramid. So these centers, to maintain these centers, we need a lot of manpower. So Sevadal has a plan to work in shift systems, like in Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam, volunteers will go and work for 1 week and they come back. And in Satyasai Sevadal, the volunteers will go work for 1 week, 10 days and they go back. And also in Radhaswami Satsang, volunteers, they work for 1 week, some shift period will be there. So this kind of activity, we are going to Sevadal, will take up this activity, this responsibility to work in different major centers in all over India. Next. Yes, and one more thing is, 1 hour daily meditation is mandatory for all the members of Sevadal. For all the volunteers, they have to meditate every day. The regular meditation is mandatory. Next. And one more thing is, the Sevadal will participate in special activities like Swachh Bharat, tree plantation, etc., etc. So Swachh Bharat is one of our favorite activity of our PSSM. So in the schools, like what we have thought is, we are going to adopt one school. Monthly twice we are going to do Swachh Bharat in the school along with the students. And also we are going to do the plantation of the trees in the same school. We make it green. And we are going to establish one small library in the school itself. So we make the school as our place of experiment. Like we do all these activities in the school itself. Next. Yeah. And the last principle is, we are going to work with the other like-minded organizations when there is need. So Sevadal, finally, Sevadal, the members, the volunteers, Patri sir, they will take responsibility. The meaning of Sevadal is responsibility. So there is a cooking section is there. So volunteer will go and I will do this serving at the kitchen. So I will cut the vegetables. This is my responsibility. I will clean the toilets. This is my responsibility. So taking responsibility is the meaning of Sevadal, Seva. So in all our organization events, so Sevadal will take responsibility of a particular work. So we will adopt one school, and on daily basis, a volunteer will conduct daily meditation there. That is his responsibility. So the caption for Sevadal is responsibility, Bhadyata. And one more thing is, Sevadal is a self-disciplined unit of PSSM. It is the service wing of PSSM. Yeah. Patri sir, favorite thing is, like sir always says, this is the pyramid army.